Okay, I love Google Sheets, so there's a lot you can do with it. I'm just going to show you some of the basics based on the requirements here. So first, let's unmerge this actually. Whoops. Alright, so this is, you could use this for sample science lab data. I have my students do this a lot. So for example, we could do the hours of sunlight versus the rate of photosynthesis measured in parts per million. If we want this to be the same size system of words, we could either do that, or you can click on it and then wrap text. So let's say this is a first data set. We want to merge these cells. Click on that, format merge horizontally. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, for example. We want all these to be lined on the left. Parts per million, let's do that. Nope, let's do 0 because there's no sunlight. That. So as, just put in some data here so I can show you what I can do with it. And perfect. And we'll align these on the left as well. We can change the font to highlight it. Let's make it size 10. Let's make it blue for the front of it. And then in science class, oftentimes I have them graph with this. So you highlight it, insert chart. A lot of times it defaults to bar graph. I want a line graph. And then you can play around with that. For example, if I want to have the dots showing actually, I can do that under series. The dots, for some reason they always put their axes backwards. The independent variable x-axis should come first. I don't know why they don't do that. And then you can copy and paste this if you want to. Whoops. Into like another document. Like I have them pasted into their Google Docs with their labs. What else do I have to show you? Insert row. Okay. So if you want to insert a row, you can either do insert column, you can insert column to the right or right click on it, insert right. If you want to insert a row below, what else do I have to show you? Oh, new sheet. So if you have like multiple data sets, you can click on this plus button, rename it, data set number 2. Now you have 2 sheets in one spreadsheet. If you want to download it, download it. You can download it just a variety of ways. I'm going to do Excel real quick so then I can show you how to re-upload something. Oops. Move that into Google Drive. So for example, say I had an Excel full file that is not yet in Google Sheets, but I want to use in Google Sheets. I can download it to my drive. I did it once and it was messed up in the video. And then if I open it like this, I can open it with Sheets. Give it a sec to think, because my computer's slow. So there we go. So now it is thinking. There it is. So that was from an Excel document back into Google Sheets. There's also a ton of like data analysis you can do, or just like math computations that I can do. Like if you wanted to average these things, you click on this, average it. If you wanted to sum all those numbers, again, sum. If you want to count how many boxes are there, you can do count if, it's bigger than this number. I use these a lot with like NWA calculations or correlation analysis or my gradebook. You can also do conditional formatting. So if I highlight my data and then do format, conditional formatting, you could do like, we do this with the homework tracker. Like if the value is less than 70%, for example, for the homework tracker, then I make it turn red. So that way I can tell who's not passing my homework objective. So see all these turn red because they're less than 70. Anything else you want to see? Let's see here. Oops, sorry. Start a new Google Sheet and name it. Oh. Okay. I could do that, I guess. Come on. Thinking. Did that, did that, did that, did that, did that, did that. This is now thinking. Okay, well, if you want a new Google Sheet, you can go File, New, Spreadsheet. You name it up here. This is for a badge project, clearly. It says username and convention when titling screencast video. Okay, well, I think that's all. If you want to learn more, this is what I'm really good at, so I'll show you. Okay, bye.